Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in edX for university level language learning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in edX for university level language learning, begin by visiting the edX website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information and choose a strong password. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, explore the Courses section to find language courses. Use the search bar to look for specific languages or language programs of interest. Filter your search results by selecting university level to focus on academic options. Review course descriptions and prerequisites to ensure they match your language learning goals. Look for courses offered by reputable universities to enhance the quality of your education. Check the course schedules for start dates and duration to plan your study time. Investigate the course fees and payment options available. Consider looking for financial aid or scholarships if needed. Once you find a suitable course, click on the Enroll button. Follow the prompts to complete the enrollment process. Make note of important deadlines for assignments and exams once you begin the course. Set up a study schedule that aligns with your learning style and pace. Engage with course materials like videos, readings, and quizzes for a comprehensive understanding. Participate in discussion forums to connect with other learners and share insights. Utilize supplementary resources or study groups to further enhance your learning experience. Monitor your progress through the course dashboard to stay on track. As you complete assignments, seek feedback to improve your language skills. Consider taking additional courses to advance your language proficiency further. Stay motivated by setting clear goals and celebrating milestones throughout your learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.